Today is another early morning of photography, and we are in Onomichi. I really like this place. It's a really cute village, town, more like a town actually, not far from Hiroshima. And it's my first time shooting in this place at this time of the day. It's like 6:30 in the morning. Still pretty cold, and it's been more than a week since I got my hand on this Fujifilm XE4, and I have a lot of thoughts, and I really love shooting with it. And yeah, let's try to get some pictures today. Somehow I also enjoy using the touch focus function on this camera. I like to tap on my camera, having this little green box, and I know that it's in focus. So then, and it will keep focus until I shoot. So I know that this area is in focus, and then I can move things around and try to place my subject in that little box that most of the time I strategically place maybe in the rule of third or somewhere I want my subject to be. So it's just a way to create your photo in these two steps, that it's probably easier for my head at least to process and to work. And actually, like, I don't have to think about focusing and pressing the shutter at the same time. I can do this in two separate steps. So I've been using this Touch AF function quite a lot the past few days. technique to not look too creepy is that I keep shooting even when my subject passed me, so maybe they can think that I was shooting something behind them. Warm up my hands since I forgot to take my gloves. Cheers.